Then going towards the next ayah. نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق. Okay, so I said that whenever noon is going to come in like tashdid position or like meme comes like this, we are going to stay for a bit. But because here noon tashdid is at the start of the ayah, we're not joining it with the previous letter here. So that is why we're not going to stay for a bit and do gunna on noon. We're just going to say نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق. Okay, then there comes ha and noon, nahnu naqussu, and then there is qaf, which is articulated when the back part of the tongue touches the hard palate with strength, like naqussu, different than K of English, okay? Naqussu, and then sad. Naqussu alayka. We're going to say okay, not alayka. We are going to say عليك نبأهم بالحق. Okay, so in نبأهم, this word is very easy, but at the end of the word, we are doing a rule here which is called إخفاء. Okay, إخفاء الشفوي. You're not going to worry about the name, but I'm going to tell you what this is. That whenever there comes a meme at the end of the letter, and this is like not at the end of letter necessarily, but whenever there is meme sakin and the next letter is ba, okay, meme sakin and then comes ba, so we are going to hide the voice of kind of ba like this, okay, you cannot hear ba here, so some like reciters do like uh, they join the lips together as well, like but what we need to do is that we are not going to join the lips together. They come very very close, okay, they are going just as close to joining them, but they are not like joining actually, okay. Naba'ahum, very close, okay. Naba'ahum bilhaqqi. So بالحق, ha and qaf. So I earlier said بالحق because I stopped at this word. That is why I had to follow a certain rule, and I had to say like haqq. So I'm not going to make you confused here. You just need to say the haqq. The voice bounces back on qaf because this is on the from the letters on which the voice bounces back. Qaf is from like one of those letters on which qalqala is done. Like qalqala means like we bounce back. Ha ha q. Okay, so these are five letters like qaf ta ba jim dal. Okay, so then the next is innahum. Okay, so again on noon there is tashdid. We're going to stay for a bit and do غنى إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم. Okay, again I said earlier as well that whenever there's going to come ta or kaf, okay, in second position, so we are going to do something like this. Fit, fit, a little bit air is removed very naturally. فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى. Okay, then amanu is very easy. Birabbihim, in birabbihim, we are going to say ra. We are going to make it heavy. Ra, ra, birabbi, and then ba with strength. B, rabbihim, and then ha, him. Okay, birabbihim wazidnahum huda. Then there is wa. So whenever there is going to come wow, you need to remember that you are going to shape your lips in a round position and say wa. وَزِدْنَاهُمْ huda. Okay, so there comes the dal, okay, and it comes in second position. So the voice bounces back like this, zid. Okay, zid, because this is one of the five letters on which this happens. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. So right, the is one of them. So وزدناهم هدى.